Hello everybody. In today's video, we will be learning about how to protect the crime scene. When the information of crime reaches the police station, the police has to inform two authorities, one sending the police staff to crime scene and protect it at the earliest so that nobody can access the crime scene. It should be restricted to informing the other police officials who are at the senior post. The forensic science team should also be informed about the crime. Duty of the first officer is not to allow unauthorized personnel to enter the crime scene. This makes sense, but this important rule is often ignored or sidestepped during practice. The scene can be considered secured only when the suspect, witness and living victims have been removed. An adequate staff should be deployed to safeguard it. All these activities should be carefully monitored by the first responder or the investigator to whom the responsibility is given to investigate the crime. Initially, furniture, doors, windows, light switches should be carefully documented at the scene of crime. The body should not be removed or should be left undisturbed until the scene has been finally processed or documented. Essential evidences on the body or information regarding its relation to the scene may get lost if attempted to remove in haste. If there is any chance that the victim is still alive, medical aid should be arranged urgently by a medical professional. Those admitted to the scene after it has been secured should only be those persons who have relation with the crime scene. Unwanted public and press should be avoided. The suspect in any case is not allowed to enter the crime scene, otherwise it would compromise evidences. The first officer responsibilities ends once he hands over the control of crime scene to investigation officer. But to maintain the continuity, the presence of first officer at the scene is necessary. A little carelessness in protecting the crime scene will lead to non-conclusive results in laboratory analysis. So evidence collection and protection of crime scene should be done carefully. Note 1. The investigator has to be very malicious and vigilant in assuming and protecting the crime scene. 2. In some cases, unimportant evidence also plays an important role during investigation, so it should also be preserved. Remember, perfection in any other human effort is never guaranteed. So an investigator should learn from their mistakes and make every effort for continuous improvement.